Hi Mountain Tribe! This is Megan, the resident maker here at the mountain. Today I'm going to show you how to craft a slash tunic tank in 20 minutes or less. First, what we're going to do is fold your t-shirt in half, side to side, so we can cut out the neckline. Now you're going to cut all around the existing neckline, cut that collar out, and then cut a nice deep V down the back, like so. So when you flip it open, you've got a scoop in the front, and then you flip it over and you got that nice deep V there. Next, you want to fold it in half the other way, sleeve to sleeve, and we're going to make it into a tank top now. You're going to want to make that strap about a hand width. Try not to cut yourself, oh my god. And then nice deep scoop for the armhole. Right, so now we have a tank top. We're going to fold it back in half the other way, and we're going to cut the slits down the back. Now these are about 1 inch long and a ½ inch apart. Now when you fold it over about 1 inch away, this row you're going to want to cut ½ inch slits because they're on the fold like that. All the way down. Now when you do your last row, you want to double check how high that sleeve armhole is and cut that last row of slits ½ inch long, finger width apart. And now you should have 5 nice columns of evenly spaced slits. Ta-da! Next, we're going to stretch those little slashes out, going across as you do. Now you don't want to pull so hard that you tear those slits, but you know, once you're stretching, you can feel it. You can feel about how far you need to go. This is the fun part. Ta-da! Completely slashed. Next, we're going to take one of those sleeves that we cut off. We'll cut off the hem and cut about a 2 inch strip. And we're going to cut that in half. Cut the seam off. We're going to cut one of the strips in half so we have 2 short strings and 1 long one. The long one we're going to use to create the racer back of the tank by wrapping it around the straps, creating the tank, then tying it in a nice little bow. And then we'll take the shorter strips and bring them in the front and make 2 little cute bows at the top of the straps, like so. And that's it. Ta-da! Superstar.